Categorizing labels in Gmail is a straightforward process that saves you time and keeps your inbox organized. Let me show you how you can change your inbox from looking like this to this using Gmail labels and filter. Labels are like the folders you have on your computer where you put together similar documents or documents from same source. Labels are like tags that we add to our messages to keep them organized and easily accessible. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways you can add labels to your inbox and also how to put on the different colors for the label. On the left side of your inbox, scroll down to the plus button. Here you can see new label. You can go on to type the name you want to use for it. So after typing the name, you simply click on create, and that's it. You've created your label. You can see it down here. The second method of creating labels, you go to settings, see all settings, you scroll down to labels, scroll all the way down, you can see create label. You also type in the name of the label you want. This is the second way. You can use any of these ways to create your label depending on which one works best for you. So now go back, it's also there. The third way is to simply scroll to the message. Open the message and scroll to the label icon. You can see already existing labels. The option to create a new label is also there. Click on it and type in the label name. After typing the name, you proceed to create. And you can see we have it all here. To edit or delete a label, you scroll to the label, go to the 3 dots on the right, click on it. You can see the options. You can remove or edit the label from here. So next, I'm going to open one of the already created labels to see what is inside. You can see it's completely empty, and this is because no message has been assigned to go here. This is where filter comes in. Filter is used to send already existing messages or incoming messages into the label based on the criteria you set. So next, I'm going to show you how to create filters. Keep watching. There are different ways you can create filters too. The first is to open up the message, scroll to the top, click on the 3 dots at the top, scroll down to filter messages like this. It automatically copies the email address from which the message was sent. You can see other criteria here. If you want to set based on any of these, you can also do that. Click on create filter. Then you proceed to apply the filter to the label. So you have to pick which of the label here you want messages from that email address to be going to. So when you pick it, you scroll down again. If there's any existing message, you click on apply filter to meeting conversations. After this, you click on create filter. If we go back to check that label, you will find out that the messages from that particular email address are all there together, even the ones from many months ago. The second method is to go to settings, click on see all settings, then you scroll to filters. Here you can edit and also delete existing filters. If you scroll down, you see the option of creating a new filter. To make changes to a particular filter, click on the edit button. This comes up, click on continue. On this page, you can make changes. Skip the inbox option means that messages from that email will go straight to the label and not to your inbox. When you're done making changes, you click on update filter. It will update all current changes you've made. The third method is to click on this icon on the search bar. It opens up for you to fill in the criteria. So in this case, we want to use the option has the words. So I input the words. It means that any email coming in and that has any of these words will go to a particular label I'll assign them to go to. So after inputting all the words, I go on to create filter. So after creating the filter, it takes me to the next page to complete my settings. Here I get to add a label. I can decide to create a new label or apply to an existing label. So click on new to create a new label. type in the name of the label. You can decide to add another label under an existing label, which is the next label. That's like a sub-label under the main label. So after which you click on create. To apply color to a label, click on the label, click on the three dots on the right, click on label color. Then you can choose from any of the options there. Once you click on it, the color will apply to the label.